What if everything you've been taught about the first humans is only part of the story? A cinematic view of the prehistoric Earth introduces the mystery. Millions of years ago, a sweeping view of the ancient African savanna establishes the setting where human evolution began. Our ancestors faced a world a lone early hominin stands on a hill, emphasizing survival in a vast, unfamiliar land filled with dangerous predators, harsh climates. A close-up of an early human ancestor conveys resilience and determination. Yet somehow, they survived, evolved. Early hominins share the landscape, with prehistoric wildlife illustrating the challenges they overcame. Stay with us as we travel back through millions of years. A glowing cave entrance symbolizes the hidden mysteries of humanity's past and creates a compelling transition into the introduction. To understand human origins, we need to travel back nearly 7 million years. Around this time, the ancestors of modern humans and chimpanzees began. Following different evolutionary paths, over millions of years, several human-like species, known as hominins, appeared across Africa. They gradually adapted to changing environments. By walking upright and surviving in diverse landscapes, scientists believe that humans and chimpanzees share a common ancestor that lived millions of years ago. From that point onward, evolution followed different paths, eventually giving rise to the human lineage. One of the most famous early ancestors is Australopithecus afarensis, represented by the fossil known as Lucy. Her anatomy revealed that walking on 2 legs evolved, long before the large brains seen in modern humans. Discovered in Ethiopia in 1974, Lucy's remarkably preserved skeleton became one of the most significant archaeological finds in the study of human evolution, offering scientists an extraordinary glimpse into our distant past. As generations passed, early hominins developed simple stone tools, helping them gather food, process plants and animals, and adapt to changing environments. These innovations marked important milestones in human evolution. From these humble beginnings, the foundation of humanity was established. Over millions of years, countless generations adapted, survived, and evolved, setting the stage for the emergence of Homo sapiens, and the remarkable story that continues to unfold today. Much of what we know about our ancestors comes from archaeological discoveries made across Africa, Europe, and Asia. Every excavation has the potential to reveal another chapter of humanity's story. Scientists carefully uncover fossilized bones that have remained hidden underground for hundreds of thousands, or even millions, of years. These fossils provide valuable clues about how our ancestors lived and evolved. Alongside fossils, archaeologists have discovered simple stone tools used for cutting, scraping, and preparing food. One of the most remarkable discoveries is the fossilized footprints at Laetoli, Tanzania, preserved in volcanic ash for more than 3.6 million years. Researchers have also uncovered traces of ancient campfires, suggesting that early humans gradually learned to control fire. Although scientists have uncovered remarkable evidence about human evolution, many questions are still being investigated. One of the greatest breakthroughs in recent decades has been the study of ancient DNA. By analyzing genetic material preserved in fossils, researchers can compare extinct human relatives with modern populations and uncover connections that were once impossible to detect. Based on current scientific evidence, Homo sapiens first appeared in Africa around 300,000 years ago. Over thousands of generations, groups of early humans migrated beyond Africa into Europe, Asia, Australia, and eventually the Americas. As modern humans expanded into new regions, they encountered other human relatives, including Neanderthals and Denisovans. Evidence suggests that these groups interacted, and in some cases, shared genetic ancestry. New technologies such as advanced imaging, radiometric dating, and genetic sequencing continue to transform the field of paleoanthropology. Human origins remain one of science's greatest mysteries. As researchers uncover new fossils and evidence from around the world, our understanding continues to grow, reminding us that the story of humanity is still being written. Did you know that modern humans were not the only human species to exist? Thousands of years ago, several human relatives lived across different parts of the world at the same time. One of the most mysterious groups is the Denisovans, an ancient human population identified primarily through fossil fragments and DNA analysis. Even with limited remains, scientists have learned a great deal about their place in human history. Early Homo sapiens shared parts of Europe and Asia with Neanderthals for thousands of years. These populations occupied similar environments and adapted in different ways to survive changing climates. Our ancestors developed remarkable survival skills. They crafted stone tools, hunted large animals, gathered edible plants, and learned to cooperate in groups, abilities that helped humans thrive in diverse environments. Understanding where we came from helps us better understand who we are today. Every archaeological discovery adds another piece to the story of human evolution and our shared history. Museums and research institutions preserve fossils and ancient artifacts so future generations can continue learning about the remarkable journey of our ancestors. Modern technologies, including advanced imaging, radiometric dating, and DNA analysis, allow scientists to uncover new evidence that was impossible to study just a few decades ago. Despite our different cultures, languages, and traditions, all modern humans share a common ancestry. Our evolutionary journey connects people across every continent on Earth. By studying human origins, young scientists, students, and explorers are inspired to ask new questions and continue searching for answers about our distant past. Somewhere beneath the ground, hidden for thousands or even millions of years, another fossil or ancient artifact may be waiting to transform our understanding of human history. The story of humanity is still unfolding. As researchers make new discoveries around the world, we move one step closer to understanding the incredible journey that shaped our species and the mysteries that remain yet to be uncovered. From the first upright walkers to modern humans, our evolutionary journey spans millions of years. Every generation has played a part in shaping the story of humanity. Through fossils, ancient tools, and groundbreaking scientific discoveries, researchers continue to uncover clues about our ancestors. Yet many mysteries remain hidden, waiting to be discovered. As we continue exploring our past, one question remains: what incredible discoveries is still waiting beneath the earth? one that could change everything we know about human origins.